Eaton is one of the world's largest and most trusted suppliers of marina power equipment. We offer a variety of high-quality products for complete marina development needs. The Lighthouse stainless steel pedestal is used to provide shore power to vessels of all sizes, from luxury yachts to personal boats. This video will cover how to properly install the Lighthouse SS. Remove the front access panel of the Lighthouse SS to access the mount. Remove the mounting plate from the inside. Attach the mount to the ground using 4 1/4-inch bolts or lag screws on a 7 3/8-inch center. Place the Lighthouse SS on the mounting plate. Pull the wires up through the base. An electrician will need to crimp wire terminations on power supply lines and attach the leads. A silicone bronze flat washer, Belleville washer, and a nut are provided for each incoming supply line. The bus bars are identified as L1, L2, N, and ground. Make sure the supply lines are connected to the proper bus lug. Loop feeding can be accomplished by bringing each conductor to each phase and out on each phase to the next pedestal in parallel. Wire size limits are 350 MCM for direct feed and 4 AWG for loop feed. To connect the water supply, remove the water panel to access the back side of the ball valves for connection. We recommend attaching a flexible or black poly hose from your water line. Pull the hose out from under the base and connect it to the back of the ball valves. Guide the hose back into the base and reinstall the panel. For internet and cable TV connection, remove the access panel. Pull the internet and cable out from under the base and connect them to the back side of the assembly. For internet connection, you will need to remove the internet jack and separate the wires. Guide the cables back into the base and reinstall the panel. The Lighthouse stainless steel pedestal should now be installed. For more information on the Lighthouse SS available features or other MP&L product offerings, please visit the Eaton Videos page on YouTube.